guys. Hope you all doing well. We, chemmasterd.online, are going to provide the best offers on courses of CSIR NET June 2021 Chemical Sciences, Gate Chemistry 2021, and Jam Chemistry 2021 by providing the best and high standard conceptual content which makes you successful in your dream examination. And we wish to reach more aspirants with our best content with the lowest fee on each and every course. I think it sounds great. We can see that I'm as a chemistry aspirant, we know that a diamond shines by reflecting light when it properly cuts into required angles. So like that, you may have lots of sources on internet, YouTube, social media, and many more options are there. But you must need to have a proper preparation with a proper guidance. So that what we provide with our best content with availability of 24 by 7 for your doubt clearance. So here are our contact information. So you can call on given mobile numbers, and you can do WhatsApp, and you can do Telegram, and you can join our Telegram channel, and also you can do mail on the given mail ID for any further informations to join courses on chemmasters.online and to avail these best offers. And here just remember the first 50 members, so these offers are only for first 50 members on each and every course. So just hurry up to get them. So just look at the best offers. A CSIR NET June 2021 Chemical Sciences, just 2,500 rupees to get the guaranteed success through our course content. And on GATE and JAM 2021 Chemistry, so it is just 1,000 rupees. So hurry up to avail these offers, and just remember it is only it is for first 50 members. So we will provide the best concept video lecture. So here the recorded video lectures, which may range from 1 hour to 1 minute videos, but in the next for upcoming courses we will do 15 to 20 minutes of each and every video based on the particular topic, along with the live video sessions and interactions. So here we are going to provide high standard online test series. Already you may see the standardness of the questions on our YouTube community channel. That is Chemmasters official YouTube channel, and also on our Facebook pages and groups like Chemmasters. So you will get that kind of high standard online test series, and each and every question will be designed to deal with basics to advanced concepts, which by practicing them you can solve any kind of questions on official examinations. So we provide topic wise test, that is online test, and along with mock test, so which helps you a lot in your success. And we will be available for you on 24 by 7 to clear your doubts on the concepts on particular questions and everything, so in the regarding of that course and regarding of that examination. And here, so finally we guarantee your success if you use our course well. And so just remember, these offers are limited for the first 50 aspirants who reach out fast at us. Okay, and I hope it will helpful for you, and thank you very much. And if you have any doubts, and if you want to get any if you solve your queries, so once again we are providing the details, so our contact details, you can contact us. Thank you very much. And just remember, so the content will be available in English medium, but don't worry. So if you are from the Hindi medium, so we will help you to reach out to get the concept from that English medium content. And if you are a Telugu medium student from AP, Andhra Pradesh, and Telangana, so don't worry. So we are from that Telugu medium basics from Telugu state, so that's why. So we will help you out more and more in making you understanding that particular concept of that particular topic in Telugu too. Okay, so reach out and we will be wait for your response. Thank you very much.